Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and cutting so you save time later. Measure wall height and width, then cut the first strip 5 cm longer than the wall to allow top and bottom trimming. Once done, align the pattern repeat on your roll with the wall's focal point so seams match easily. Apply paste if the paper requires it, or mark the backing if self-adhesive. Make sure to use a spirit level to mark a straight vertical guideline before you hang the first strip. You now hang the strip using steady hands and a clear method. Position the top, align with the guideline, and use the book method if pasted. Fold paper to let paste activate. Once at the wall, smooth from the center outward to push out air and paste. Glitter surfaces need gentle pressure to avoid loss. Butt each seam precisely, matching the glitter pattern so joints are invisible. If pieces misalign, peel slowly, realign, and resmooth. You finish by trimming and cleaning for a professional look. Use a sharp utility knife and a straight edge to trim the top and bottom. Take light passes to avoid tearing. Once trimmed, wipe any paste residue promptly with a damp sponge, taking care not to rub glitter off. Inspect seams and edges. If tiny gaps appear, press seams again or use a thin bead of clear adhesive and touch up with matching paint if needed. If wrinkles persist, lift the panel, reapply paste, and smooth again. This solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.